Hi, my name is Shalom M, and I've been with Dr. Tack, and I have lost approximately 60 pounds. I met Dr. Tack probably 5 years ago on a personal level, and I'd heard that he was tremendous at weight loss. And I happened to visit him, and I would weigh at that time probably 275, 280 pounds. And I went through the program once, and I lost probably 50, 60 pounds. Then I said, okay, I don't need Dr. Tack anymore. And I left the program, and of course when I left the program I stopped following all the things he told me to follow, and I happened to go back up to 290 pounds then, and so I got back on Dr. Tack's program. And now after about 6 months, maybe 6, 7 months, I'm down at 230, and I still have ways to go, and I know that this is a long-term program. And I've also done testosterone, I've also done all these different things, and my body feels better, and I'm starting to feel like I'm younger again. Maybe 6, 8 months ago, my back was hurting, my knee was hurting, this was aching, my hip replacement was aching, this was hurting me, and now 6 months later, as I've lost weight and I've gone through some of the therapies, my knees don't hurt anymore, my back doesn't hurt anymore. I feel like I can actually play golf and take the ball out of the hole now. And I can do all the things that I really couldn't do 6 and 8 months ago just because I wasn't in a program that made any sense. So Dr. Tack's program of combining all the different elements has really changed my life, not just from a weight loss, but from an overall good feeling in my body. So I just would like to take this opportunity to thank Dr. Tack and say that if I can recommend anybody to him because they'll feel better their whole life, not just in their weight loss, I can tell you that that has helped me and made a difference in my life. I'm starting to feel like I have a life again, and that's, it's all to do to Dr. Tack. He's a very personable guy. He's a guy who cares for you, he'll answer you, he'll pay attention, he'll take time. He'll probably take too much time, I'll always tell him as a business guy, but he'll take the time, he'll answer your questions. He'll look at every little thing to do what's best for you. He's not a doctor just says, okay, one size fits all. He'll ask you enough questions to do the things. And so that's what I found is the uniqueness of Dr. Tack. And like I said, I've been on and off with him for several years already, and what I find is when I stay with the program, it's a great program. So all I can tell you is that I think that if you're struggling or you want to get in a life path where you can get back to feeling good about yourself, Dr. Tack is an excellent choice. I'm just telling you this from the bottom of my heart because he has made a very big difference in my life. So if you want somebody good, just Dr. Tack is your man, and he's a nice guy too.